That is a peacock. Actually, when we were in Kansas, we found a peacock and we were gonna hunt it. That's 3.5 hours. Patterned our gun right here. Brad made some nice DiGiorno pizzas. And we just spotted 3 gobblers from the cabin.
Yeah.
All 3 gobblers.
The closest one to it,
Look at the size of the far right one. That's a 10.
I believe they're all gobblers, but at the same time, they're like, man, why don't you all 3 strut at the same time?
I said to Jeff, so how does he kill his first one? I've seen the program. Once he gets started, like kill him, get the fan, but where does the first one come from?
You go around. That's y'all. That's y'all. That's the hard one, man.
The first one's the hardest one to get.
It is. Yeah. We got to do it right.
Mm-hmm. Like real turkey hunters.
Yep.
Roost in different spots.
Yep. Like some nights they'll roost there, some there, and some up there. And there's some different bunches right now too, because they're really splitting up a bunch. There's
that was a bunch of about 10. 3 gobblers.
3 gobblers and 3 gobblers.
Yeah, good.
Good morning.
Top of the morning to you. Been doing a lot of hunting. As I open up the tags on these new gloves. You want the weather report? Oh my gosh. About 47 mile an hour wind. Feels like it's about 65 degrees. If we were back home, I'd be freaking out. Probably wouldn't hear a single gobble. But we're going with quite certainly the greatest turkey hunter I've ever hunted with, Larry Ellis. He should be here soon. And Larry we trust.
He's right.
The wind is absolutely ripping this morning. Having a tough time hearing, but Larry finally heard a distant gobble, so we're gonna sit tight and see if we can't kill him. That'll work.
We got a fan.
Thank you for shooting, because I almost fucking shot. And I'm like, come on, Colin, you want him or you want him?
Did he start Did he start pecking?
Huh?
Did he start pecking?
Did he start clucking?
Well, shit, right up there, when he stopped right up there, I mean, I could have shot him through this stuff, but right up there, he just did that one little tiny wing touch. And I'm like, man, he doesn't like something. And then he calmed down, and I thought he was going to come in and just kind of skirt around it. And
Boy, that's why you do it right there, though.
He was getting leery.
Boy, that gobble right down there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, we're back, baby.
We are back.
Hell yeah, man.
Good shot, buddy.
Thanks, man. That little 20 popper got it done. God dang.
Is that a 40?
get him now.
Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, just make sure you don't get messed up.
Oh, he's pretty.
He's pretty.
Oh, yeah. Nice. What? I just stand on their heads until they're dead.
Boy's real spry.
Yeah, he saw the football team.
Or the,
Yeah.
Or the decoy. I don't know. Wow. That is, those things
Well, we
are
got our fan, that's all.
That's all that matters.
did you see the one that was roosting right there? We must have walked right under it.
Gobbler?
I don't know. I looked over and there's a limb going like this.
Alright.
No. Get up on that big tree. Good.
This is gonna be rough. Yeah. Can you see him? No.
You do? He's fucking close. He's still up in those cedars though. About to come out.
Gonna come over there. Get ready. There it is.
Is it a long one?
Can't tell. Nope, Jake. Good call. Well, we struck up what we thought was a gobbler. Turned out to be a Jake. He probably got, I don't know, 3 foot from the camera. Put on a show. Had a gobble as deep as a gobbler. You'd have thought for sure it was a longbeard, but we're gonna keep going after it. We got a couple hours of daylight left.
Killed 2 with some of the worst conditions going yesterday. I'd say today will be significantly better. We have till about 10 o'clock until the wind starts picking up again.